Whether you're making a film for your family archive or creating a video greeting card for an anniversary, knowing how to add a video on top of another one will help you create more dynamic and eye-catching content. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to overlay a video on a video using Clipify, a feature-packed editing program. Run the software, click New Project, and then Blank Project. Then upload your video by clicking the Add Videos and Photos button. It will appear on the main timeline track below. Double-click the video overlay track on the timeline to open a clip you want to place over the first one. Next, move the overlay video to the point where it should start and adjust its duration. Then, resize the top video and adjust its position in the preview window. You can also make the overlay clip fade in or slide into the frame to add a stylish touch. To do that, click the Edit button on the toolbar and switch to the Animation tab. Pick the fade-in effect you like, adjust its settings, and set the duration. Then, do the same with the fade-out effect and apply the changes. Check the result in the preview window. When you're satisfied with the looks of your project, click the Create Video button to save your clip. In the new window, select the needed format. We're going to create an HD clip. Adjust the video quality and export it. That's it. Now you know how to overlay 2 videos in a few simple steps. Download Clipify and layer clips in mere minutes.